Hey everyone, it's Spa Guy Dave in Pennsauken, New Jersey, back again with another beautiful pre-owned hot tub. This one is a Premium Leisure Spa, Go Spa, by Premium Leisure, manufactured in Florida, in America, not foreign manufactured. A beautiful tub made in late November of 2015, delivered in 2016. So just a really phenomenally, well-kept hot tub, a fun tub all the way around. It's a 5-seater, but we're going to call it a 4-adult comfortable. This is the third time I've had this particular model, and it's always very popular because the flow and the pressure is very nice. It's not a big spa, and what's nice about this spa is it can be ran 220 like we did here with a 220 wired, hardwired hookup. Or you could do the 110 GFCI plug, so you can basically fill the tub with water and plug it in. So you've got a 110/220 convertibility. That's a huge thing for a lot of folks who don't want to put out the big bucks for electrical wiring. So it gives you an opportunity to maybe start that way and switch over, or you're in a house temporarily and you want to be able to take it with you to another house. It's great for Airbnbs. Just a terrific tub all the way around. Gorgeous sterling silver marble. The shell is flawless. No scratches, no chips, no marks. It's beautiful. The cabinet you can see is the same thing. It's it's got a nice sheen to it. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous maintenance-free cabinet in that kind of a slate gray, which is great. So again, 5-seater, 4 comfortable. That one seat's a little small. A nice lounger over here with deep seating for your bottom and your knees up and your feet locked in. A great bucket seat. Another one here, a great bucket seat again, and that smaller seat. So 4 bucket seats and a lounger. Again, with a footprint of just 72 inches by 84, so 6 foot by 7 foot. A terrific tub. Won't take up a ton of space in your backyard. So it's still in a medium-sized spa, but on the smaller medium style spa, right? LED lighting, which is great. A little water feature there. New spa pillows, new filter. Pump was installed last year, brand new pump. Today installed a new heater. It does come with a blue spa cover and a hydraulic cover lifter. So just a fun tub. Let's turn on some jets. And here we go. So a really wonderful pressure coming out of the spa. 20 jets powered by that nice powerful pump. Quiet. Just a terrific unit all the way around. With everything we talked about, including the steps and everything. Delivery, chemical kit, indoctrination, warranty. All this can be landed in your backyard for just $2,900 in your yard. So you can be in hot water this weekend or early next week. Sitting in and enjoying your new hot tub. So I hope you liked the video. If you do, please click like and please subscribe to my Spa Guy Dave YouTube channel to check out more tubs and many informational how-to videos also. So thanks for watching, everyone. It's springtime. Let's get into hot water. This is Spa Guy Dave.